Guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D, and today we're back with another lock tutorial, a very short one at that. I'm only going to be here for about 2 minutes, so we're going to make this quick. So I wanted to share with you how to safely add color to your hair. No bleach, no peroxide, no commitment. You guys know I am against dyeing my hair this early in the game, but I was itching for some colors. I remember Hush Prism sent me some products a while back, and luckily I still have some left over, so I am going to give my locks a little makeover. I am using the color Antique Red. It looks more of a pink, but hey, I still like it. But yes, you guys know how to add some spray to your hair. You know, section the hair in threes or how many you need. Hold the can 7 to 10 inches away, shake well, boom, bam, thank you ma'am, you got your color. It doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, so you don't have to worry about any peroxide. It comes in 7 different shades, and I've tried 4 out of the 7. Of course, I tried the red one, the purple one, the teal one, and also the silver one. And it's kid friendly, so go ahead and spray your kids with it too. But I like it, it's very pigmented. But yes, I'm going to rub some of the color through the locks to give it a little blend so it's not such a blunt line. It doesn't stain, so no need to panic if you get this on your clothing or furniture or even on your hands like I did. Trust me, it will come off with a little Dove soap and water. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to share this quick and safer way to color your hair. I hope you guys did like this tutorial. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine. Bye-bye.